guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome Cooking from the Pantry. This is the series where I create dishes from pantry ingredients alone without any fresh ingredients, because as a preppers we need to know what to do with our stash. In today's video I'm doing a couscous. Many of you have asked what to do with couscous because I found, and I've done a video, that this is one of the most underestimated prepper stocking up item because it literally takes barely any time to cook at all. There are many ways of cooking it, guys, many ways of basically adding on flavor to the couscous, but I'm going to show you basically my option, how I use the couscous as a main dish with the tuna on top, although I'm not going to be putting the tuna because I'm just going to be having it as it is. But I'm going to tell you basically this is how we're going to do one of the recipes with couscous. Okay, so one of the things first, right, is boiling the kettle. It's really easy. I know it tells you on a packet to that you have to boil the couscous itself, but you really don't have to. So anyway, kettle is boiling. So we need 1 cup of couscous. I'm using some fresh owner, which is Lidl's roasted peppers. Okay, I've got literally tiny, well, smallish amount. I've got some peppers stuffed with whatever cheese this is. Again, this is from Lidl, and this jar has expired in 2021. Yes, I still have it and I still use it. I've got like 1 pepper left, and yes, it's absolutely fine. I've got some olives. I've got basically 2 tablespoons. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. I got them from Amazon. I think I might have put that link before. They're really tasty. They're really sort of seems like they're already flavored, but it doesn't say that they are, but really tasty. I've pre-soaked them in some boiling water just to soften them up a little bit. So I've got, again, big 2 tablespoons there. And I have a Old India couscous seasoning. Again, I mentioned this before. I've got a tablespoon in here. So first things first, I've got a cup of couscous. I'm going to put it in here. You can see that on the camera. And I'm going to cover this in boiling water. And I'm going to go about 1/2 inch above-ish. Mix it in. Hold on. Hopefully you can see that good in there. It's really nothing to be scared about. It's very easy. And I just think it's so rewarding. Hold on, let me put this a little bit in, a bit more. It's less is more, because don't forget, if you do this on the eye, if it soaks in and you can see it's dry and it's not sort of expanded, you can add a bit more. If you put too much in the first place, it's basically going to be like soup, and we don't want soup, we want couscous, we want a salad. So I'm going to add on my sun-dried tomatoes now, because I want them to soak in and plump up just a little bit more. So I'm going to add them on, mix it in. Okay, I'm going to add on my seasoning now as well. All the other bits are going to be added on later on. Okay. Sorry, it's a bit cock-handedly because I'm trying to do this for the camera there, guys, so you can see. So you can see it started to soak in already. So I'm going to put a little bit more, and I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to add a tad more. Lid on. And we're going to leave it for about 7 minutes. So guys, 7 minutes have passed, and I apologize, I don't think the camera was recording the initial part of me putting in the couscous in. However, it should be recording now, so there we have it. It's soaked in all of the water, and it's literally nice and crumbly, and this is the consistency that we guys want. So all we're going to do now is to add on our bits and pieces to it to make our salad. It's really straightforward. As I told you, you just leave it in there, leave it in peace, and it's happy days. So I've got some olives. I've got my out-of-date peppers. Yum. And we've got some chopped little roast peppers here. Probably should have given it a bigger bowl. We mix it in. And again, you guys can put whatever you want on top. Then normally I think it would be a good idea to put a little bit of tuna with like a lemon and olive oil dressing. That'd be quite nice. There we go, look at that. I'm not sure what we're going to have this with. I think we might have this with a bit of sausage. I don't know. But nonetheless, so here we are, guys. Ooh, sorry. So there we are. It is as simple as that. And as I mentioned, you can do this. If you don't like olives, don't put the olives. Don't like the peppers, don't put the peppers. You can put sweet corn, you can put tinned peas, you can put tinned vegetables. You don't even have to use this seasoning, you can use the Polish seasoning like I showed you, or any seasoning, or a stock cube, or just lemon juice, or just a bit of olive oil and lemon juice. There's so many variations, but as you've seen here, it's literally, you don't have to worry boiling this. It's literally as straightforward as this. So anyway, hopefully you enjoy this, and hopefully it gives you some idea how you can use this. Again, any more suggestions, please comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.